Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and here just go to set wallpaper. Now it's time to pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be photos that you took or wallpaper. I will pick wallpaper and now select some particular photo, for example this one. And now just tap on Set As and decide if this picture should cover just your lock screen or your home screen. So let me pick home screen wallpaper. If you would like it to cover also your lock screen, just tap on this picture one more time, tap on Set As and pick Set As Lock Screen Wallpaper. And that's it, since now this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and your lock screen. You can also change the whole theme, so just go to the settings, one more time pick home screen and wallpaper, and then pick set theme. And here just tap on the particular theme, so you can see that it has the same picture for your lock screen and your home screen, and then tap on apply. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. Since now this new theme is covering your home screen and your lock screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.